Hey everyone, it's Rob out here in the Serene Forest, and what you're looking at right now is a huge mess. This was African potato mint, and it's finished out its season, and it's all pretty much died off. You can't even see any remnants of it really, except for its actual potatoes. Well, I say actual potatoes. They're not actually potatoes, but they can be eaten like potatoes, and they grow like weeds. And it's been one of my most recent favorite edible additions to the Serene Forest. And I'm gonna just kind of show you guys what it looks like underneath the soil here as we try and harvest. So the plant itself grows basically like you would think, like a mint, very fragrant leaves, and makes a great ground cover that I would say could be a really useful green mulch, with the benefit of, at the end of its season, giving you a nice harvest of small potato-like tubers. And I say small because they are small. This is about, I would say, the average size. Obviously you can see some even smaller ones down here. Seems the deeper that I go, the bigger that they get. Sorry guys, it's really windy out today, but I couldn't not show you guys just how awesome African potato mint is. Kind of like sweet potatoes, whatever gets left behind is going to come back. So once you have them in an area, you're likely to always have them in that area. And you can take all the ones that you want for harvest, and whatever gets left behind is just going to bring you new plants next year. Well, I guess this year, since it's January. And this was one plant, guys. One plant. And it just sprawled out, filled this whole area. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't weed it, as you guys can tell. I basically just neglected it. Wasn't even sure I was going to get a good harvest, and man, am I surprised at just how plentiful it really is. Now, granted, I'm saying plentiful, but when you look at the actual harvest in pounds, it's probably going to be pretty small, especially compared to other tubers like regular potatoes and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes obviously have the added benefit of having a edible leafy green. But man, to add some variety, this is just really cool. It's like a little treasure hunt in here of tiny potatoes. African potato mint. So anyway, I'll be saving some of these to propagate. And if you guys are interested in adding this to your garden, check back with me in the spring, and any of these that sprout I'll have for sale on our website. You can go to our website, www.fruitoflaborlandscaping.com, see all the plants we have for sale there. Or you can go to our Etsy page, Fruit of Labor Plants, and find plants there as well. and support our small business. We're a registered nursery and stock dealer, so we're doing it right. And check us out. All right, thanks for watching.